The NS93 is a luminaire that is both suitable for surface mounted, or it can also be used as a floodlight. If we look closer to the luminaire, we have in the front a lens where you are able to get that with different beam angles. Then we also have the accessories of different reflectors that can be used for narrowing down the UGI if that's needed. The color for the luminaire is standard, this light gray. We cannot have the option for any other color, so that is just as standard for this luminaire. This specific type that I'm standing with right now is the floodlight solution, where you can tilt this in any direction, so you can basically have it lighted up in different areas of the area that you want to light up. If we look on the back side, we have different options for the installation. So you can either come in with two cables from this direction and this direction. And also if you have a surface mounted solution, then you can come in from this direction. For those of you who knows about ATEX certified luminaires, you will also see that this is a certified luminaire. We have made this luminaire together with our OEM partner. And the most important thing to mention here is that all certificates is there for explosion-proof areas. This also means that this luminaire can be used for oil platforms, it can be used for mines, also painting workshops where it's needed for this explosion-proof environment. Now, the luminaire does not have so many different options when it comes to the light quality. We only have a certain amount of options, so I can just point out a few of them. The Kelvin, 4,000, 5,000 or 6,000. Normally we use 5,000. The CRI is not high, but this is not what is important here. It is that we have a really protected luminaire, and also that the lumen per watt is really high. That is what is really counting here. So a really stable luminaire that can be used for a lot of different purposes, and great for, as I mentioned, mine areas and oil platforms, etc.